Hey everyone, welcome to 5 minute series. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड फॉरेन पोर्टफोलियो इन्वेस्टमेंट. But before jumping into the direct investment and portfolio investment, let's understand that what foreign investment is associated to. Basically, any investment which is coming from outside the country, that is known as foreign investment. Foreign means that is not a part of your country, right? And in India, the foreign investment is majorly divided into two parts: foreign direct investment and foreign portfolio investment. Don't can confuse that foreign institutional investment is something other than foreign portfolio investment. When we see a broader picture, foreign portfolio is there, and in foreign portfolio, a major portion of investment came from FIIs. That's why mostly when the question arises, we kept with the term FIIs, right? And sometimes the students get confused between what is FPI and FIIs. Basically, they both are the same thing. FPI is the broader picture and FII is a part of foreign portfolio investment. So let's start with the definition. We have to understand what is investments and then a simple differentiation between the two. When we talk about a definition of foreign, what is FDI? FDI is basically an investment made by foreign investor to obtain a substantial interest in the enterprise. When you are investing for starting a whole new business, or you are acquiring, or you are merging, you are acquiring, you are purchasing any of the existing company in which more shareholdings are there with you, you are investing for the purpose of long term, then it is considered to be as a direct investment. For example, McDonald's, Domino's, or mostly all the MNCs have made direct investment in India through globalization process, right? Which has generated a lot of investment as well as development of Indian economy, and at the same time lot of employment opportunities are also there with the flow of direct investment in India, right? So when we are talking about direct investment, it is associated with the investment which is roughly more than 10% in the shareholdings, right? When we are talking about shareholding, it is more than 10 to 15% of the, when you are more than investing more than 10% in the whole shareholding, then it is considered to be as a part of direct investment, because now you are not only investing money for earning profit, you are investing more than that. While when we are talking about foreign portfolio investment, it is associated to the investment which is brought up by the stock exchange, okay, through stocks and bonds. Majorly, the foreign portfolio investment is done by the foreign people for better portfolio management of their own portfolio management and to earn profit from the outside their own country. Now when we are talking about portfolio investment, it is major goal is to earn profit, but when we are talking about direct investment, it is associated to establishment of business, running it for a longer period of time. Okay, so that is the basic difference between foreign direct investment and portfolio investment. When we are talking about role of investors, the investors role are active. Definitely they have invested a lot of money, so participation is equally important. Comparatively to foreign portfolio investment, their investment authority was passive in nature, which means that they are only associated with the profits of the company. The type of investment is direct because you are involved in asset management, or you have made investment in the fixed assets of the company, comparatively to portfolio investment, which is an indirect investment. You have bought some shares or bonds, and with that you have invested in any country. High control because large investment is made. Very low control because you have just a part of the shareholding business. Fine. Long term investment is being made. Definitely the amount is very big, so that is for the longer period of time, comparatively to portfolio investment, which is for a shorter period of time. It can be 6 months, it can be the maturity of bond, whatever it is, but it is more associated with the diversification in the portfolios of an individuals, right, and who want to earn money from outside the country. The management of the project is done efficiently and effectively because You have invested a money, so your active participation is taken into company. While when we are talking about portfolio investment, it is more associated with less efficiency, because your target is only to the profit of the company. You want to just earn. That is why you are here. You are a speculator of the market who has invested his money for earning, or maybe a hedger, right? Physical assets of foreign country, right? But when we are talking about this, the financial assets of the foreign country, financial assets of the foreign country, like bonds, shares, debentures, whatever it is. Physical asset, it can be a machinery, it can be a project of building infrastructure, it can be development of any asset which is associated and integral part of the company's project production, right? Entry and exit is very difficult because a large amount is involved. So if you want to wrap up, it is a difficult task. While when we are talking about a portfolio investment, you can anytime and easily exit from the financial market. It leads to transfer of funds, technology and other resources to foreign country, making it available to a foreign country. That is the main target of foreign direct investment. While when we are talking about portfolio investment, only capital inflow is there. Risk involved is stable and risk involved is volatile. As it is for a longer period of time, we have to be very much patient. In initial days, it may be possible that the profit is not seen, but for a longer period of time, it maintains an stability and consistency of profit earning. While when we are talking about portfolio investment, the volatility of the current situation, market, economic condition of that particular country leads to the market trend, right? That is the basic difference between foreign portfolio investment and direct investment. Thank you so much. See you guys with another topic.